Seasons west. Boom. Boom. Boom.
We continue our southern Abacos adventure by sailing from Great Guana to Man O War Cay, which is about 10 miles to the south.
Brad's a really good entertainment for us today. Brad 1 and Brad 2 got on their paddle boards. They're here visiting the Bahamas, and the wind just took them. They didn't know which way to go. So then whoever's brought them here had to get in their dinghy and rescue them, and took them way upwind. Way upwind. And so they were like, oh yeah, this is great. They can just ride the wind all the way back down to the boat. Then another boat came, got them in a wake. Brad 1 got out of the way. Brad 2 didn't get out of the way. He went in the drink. Then he got back up on there. All the way, making his way. The wind's, oh, this is so great. Paddleboarding is so much fun. Look at us go. We're going on the paddleboard. And as soon as they got to their boat, Brad number 2 again. Boom. In the water. Look at the big brain on Brad. He's doing a good job.
We went ashore at Man O War and spent the day exploring the tiny settlement. Every street corner had another adventure that we just had to check out. Crossing the hill that ran down the center of the island, we came upon the view of the Atlantic Ocean that opened up to the east. Situated on the eastern shore, the local baseball field for the Man O War Makos definitely had a wonderful view. The beach on the eastern shore was a mix of white sand and exposed reef. Man O War has a rich history of boat building, and the community proudly displays works of art from the past. The harbor is still populated with sailing vessels that would be right at home 100 years ago. Even the equipment currently in use at the boatyard has seen rich history of boat building skills. And the history continues as new boats are still being built. Next time on Latitude Adjustment Sailing.